Movies and films play a huge role in our social life. What normal people can't do in real life, the actors do on the silver screen. People think of actors as their super projections, crying when a character cries and laughing when a character laughs. How the audience receive a movie depends on the interplay of elements such as a good script, actors with huge potential, and a visionary director who brings these to life. Often, filmmakers use sexual content and abusive language to attract huge audience with minimal effort. The sexual content in most movies are like the sweetest candy with a chocolate coating, making the otherwise boring movie worth watching. That being said, it is not always the case. In some movies, sexual content and abusive language are added only because the situation and the script demands it. Unfortunately, the artwork and creativity take a back seat while the sexual content and abusive language steal the show. A gem of a movie ends up being a cheap time pass. It is high time that we look beyond these cheap thrills and see the movie through the eyes of the creators. Here is a list of top 10 movies in which we think the sexual content and abusive language overshadowed outstanding artistic work. Melina. Released in 2000, this is a romantic comedy drama starring Monica Bellucci and Giuseppe Salfaro. Directed and written by Giuseppe Tornatore from a story by Luciano Vincenzoni, the movie won the Grand Prix at the 2001 Cabocc Film Festival. Melina is a beautifully crafted but slight period drama that chronicles a 13-year-old boy's obsession with an older woman. Set in World War II time, it's a coming-of-age story with the sad odyssey of a woman. Struggling to make ends meet, she is misunderstood as a siren or a promiscuous woman. With an IMDb rating of 7.5, the film has immense depth, subtlety, thematic consequence, and contemporary relevance, making it worthy of an art house audience. The Reader. This 2008 romantic drama film, directed by Stephen Daldry and written by David Hare, is based on the 1995 German novel of the same name. Starring Kate Winslet, Ray Fiennes, and David Cross, the film tells the story of a 15-year-old boy who has an affair with an older illiterate woman, and how fate leads the woman into tragic turns. The film was nominated for several categories at the Academy Awards, including the Best Picture, with Kate Winslet winning the Oscar for the Best Actress. With an IMDb rating of 7.6 and rated 63% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes, both Winslet and Cross received huge acclaim for their performances in the movie. Number 3. The Dreamers. Released in 2003, Bernardo Bertolucci directed this romantic drama film based on the Gilbert Adair novel The Holy Innocents. Set against the backdrop of the 1968 Paris student riots, the story depicts an American university student in Paris. He becomes entangled in an erotic triangle after meeting a peculiar brother and sister who are fellow film enthusiasts. Eva Green, Mitchell Pitt, and Louis Garrel are the leads in the movie. The movie boasts a rating of 7.2 on IMDb and is rated 60% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes. With the content not depicted clearly by the creators, it takes some effort from the viewers to get the entire message. Unfortunately, most people fail to realize the true potential of the movie and get hung up on Eva Green's sexual scenes. Number 4. Aastha in the Prison of Spring. Starring Bollywood diva queen Rekha and veteran actor Om Puri, produced and directed by Basu Bhattacharya, the 1997 film Aastha went on to receive both critical acclaim and commercial success. The content of the movie made it unique and different from what the Indian audience was comfortable watching. With most Bollywood movies of the time depicting family values, the creator of this movie dared to show the dark side of human emotions and situations, re-establishing the audience's perspective. In the movie, Rekha plays a controversial role of a middle-class married woman who turns to prostitution to lead an extravagant life, which was severely criticized by the audience. The success of the film was described as blurring the gap between Indian art and commercial cinema, boldly trying to depict complicated and private human emotions. The explicit scenes in the movie are also remarkable. Number 5. Blue is the Warmest Color. Directed by Abdellatif Kechiche came a 2013 masterpiece called Blue is the Warmest Color. At the 2013 Cannes Film Festival, the film was unanimously selected by the official jury for the Palme d'Or and the FIPRESS Prize. Lee Sudol and Adele Exarchopoulos play the lead role in the movie, depicting a French teenager who discovers desire and freedom when an aspiring female painter, Emma, enters her life. 7.7 rating on IMDb and 89% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes, the film's treatment of lesbian sexuality has been questioned by academics due to its being directed from a straight male perspective. Number 6. Lolita. Lolita is a 1962 comedy-drama film directed by Stanley Kubrick, based on a 1955 Russian novel by Vladimir Nabokov having the same title. It follows a middle-aged literature lecturer who becomes sexually obsessed with a young adolescent girl. Having directed legendary movies like 2001: A Space Odyssey, The Shining, and Eyes Wide Shut, Kubrick received sharp criticism for the theme of the movie. That being said, critics regard the movie as a masterpiece. A similar themed 2007 Bollywood movie, Nishabd, by cult director Ram Gopal Verma, with actors Amitabh Bachchan and the late Jia Khan, failed to attract attention of the Indian audience. Lolita is rated 91% fresh in Rotten Tomatoes and has an IMDb rating of 7.6. Number 7. Vaishali. Vaishali is a 1988 Indian Malayalam period drama directed and edited by one of the most talented Indian directors, Bharathan. Due to the limited reach of the Malayalam film industry, Bharathan, who directed many world-class movies, is not recognized by majority of the Indian audience. The movie, scripted by Gyanpith Award winner M.T. Vasudevan Nair, was an adaptation of a sub-story from the epic Mahabharata. Cinematography of the movie is done by legendary cameraman Madhu Ambata. Rated 7.7 on IMDb, a gem of Indian cinema is unfortunately recognized only for its sensual scenes and actress Suparna Anand's dressing. Number 8. Vai Tu Mama Thambiyan. From Alfonso Cuarón, the director of famous movies like Gravity and Roma, Vai Tu Mama Thambiyan was his fourth movie. It's a 2001 Mexican road movie blended with drama, comedy, and sex. The film's explicit depiction of sex and drugs attracted huge criticism for the movie. Set in 1999 against the backdrop of Mexican political and economic realities, the film is a coming-of-age story about two teenage boys who take a road trip with a woman in her late 20s. With nominations for the Best Original Screenplay at the Academy Awards and for the Best Foreign Language Film at the Golden Globes, the film is rated 92% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes and has an IMDb rating of 7.6. Number 9. The English Patient. The English Patient is a 1996 American epic romantic war drama directed by Anthony Minghella. A man burned beyond recognition who has an English accent tells his story in a series of flashbacks to a young nurse taking care of him. He reveals his true identity and the love affairs he was involved in before the war that he fought. The film got huge critical acclaim and received 12 nominations at the 69th Academy Awards, winning 9, including the Best Picture and the Best Director. Even though the film is rated 85% fresh on Rotten Tomatoes, 87% on Metacritic, and 7.4 on IMDb, it is treated as a sexual fantasy movie and is remembered only for its steamy scenes. Number 10. Perfume, the story of a murderer. This 2006 psycho thriller, directed by Tom Tykwer, starring Ben Whishaw, Alan Rickman, and Rachel Hardwood, is based on an 1895 novel having the same title. Set in 18th century France, the story revolves around an orphan boy who has the gift of a heightened sense of smell and innate skill of making extraordinary perfumes. Even after discovering the most advanced methods of extracting fragrance, when he is unable to make the perfume of his dreams, he ends up killing women to extract their natural scent. The story portrays the journey of an artist in the search of perfection and his struggle to understand what he really wants. With talented actors, the director has creatively portrayed the sensual scenes in the movie along with a mass orgy. With an IMDb rating of 7.5, the movie is considered a masterpiece by critics worldwide. Thank you guys for watching this video with us. If you love the content, do like the video and share it with your loved ones. It not only helps us in reaching a wider audience, but also supports us in making more quality content.